Aw, big country.
Welcome back to the Big Country channel. Today what I thought I'd do, since it's kind of slow today, work on some fire building techniques. What we're going to do today, I have my son with me, and I'm actually going to let him start the fire today. It's important, if you have children, to teach them how to do things on their own. Let them get the experience of it. You know, if your children are into hunting and fishing and they're out there alone by themselves, you're not always going to be there for them. But having an opportunity to train them, to teach them, they have something they can fall back on. Today my son Nate's going to work with this fire steel and some common dryer lint. These are two things that everyone should have in their survival kit. At least their fire starting kit. These are things that you can acquire very easily. Dryer lint, how often do you see that and throw that away? Well, these are very flammable things that will work very well, and we'll be right back with you. Well, Nate got the fire going pretty good, I think. How'd it feel, Nate, to get it all started, buddy?
Felt nice.
Wasn't hard to do, was it?
Nope.
You think that's something you can do all the time?
Yes, sir.
So just carrying that magnesium rod and carrying some dryer lint in your pocket, man, that's the way to go, ain't it?
Yep.
So something very simple, guys, something you can teach your kids, something they'll be able to do very easily for themselves. And as you can tell, fire's still going pretty good. I appreciate y'all stopping by and watching the video today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Talk to y'all later.
Aw, big country.
Just stop the video.